Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the includes method. So, what it does, like the has method in the objects like map sets, it's used for the string constructor. So, what we does is it gonna check that and returns you a boolean. If it contains that, it gonna say true. As usual, if it doesn't, it's gonna say false. So what we're gonna do is var sentence and equals, use the string, and now what we're gonna do is type lorem. When we type that in the what we call it, atom, it's gonna give you a good sentences. And now what we're gonna do is create another var like word and equals fox, and then log it on a console and use the backtick method to print that. I'm gonna using backtick method to print that. So word inside that, what we're gonna do, the this and that and word, and now and inside that I'm gonna put something like sentence dot include. I'm gonna use the include function here. So includes includes pass the parameter parameter as like word. After that, what we're gonna do is we will use the bit operators like is, and if you don't know what bit operator or bitwise operators are, you can check it out my the ES6 beginners. So now I have is not and in the sentence. This should be there, and either it's not gonna work. So in the sentence, when we do that, it's gonna print the string. There is a missing template. What the heck I did now? So the word, let me see what I made it so much. Oh yeah, I forgot to give the question mark. So question mark. Yeah, the word fox is not in the sentence. If we do change the word like sit, you're gonna say the word sit is not in the sentence. So yeah, now you guys maybe understand that it gonna just return you true or false. So when what I did is, after that I use the bitwise operator. If it's true, it's gonna say is, it's false, it's gonna say is not. you use like that. If you have any confusion about that, just check it out my bitwise operator. It's I will put the link in the description. If I forgot, just give me the hint to remember that. So yeah, I will put that and in the sentence, and I'm gonna say give you that is it present or not. That's it. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.